In today's video, we look into the fascinating world of manifestation, guiding you through the most effective techniques to quickly bring your dreams into reality using the law of attraction. This journey is designed to equip you with practical tools and insights that transform your desires from mere thoughts into tangible outcomes. Whether you're new to the concept of manifestation or looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide you with a clear pathway to achieve your dreams effortlessly. Join us as we explore how to harness this powerful process to create the life you've always wanted. Manifestation is the process of bringing something tangible into your life through attraction and belief, i.e., if you think it and believe it, you will have it. But it's not just about wishful thinking. It involves a series of steps that begin with a very clear idea of what you want to achieve. First, let's talk about what manifestation really means. It's often associated with the law of attraction, a universal principle that suggests we attract into our lives what we focus on. Positive thoughts will naturally attract positive outcomes. The key here is the energy you put into the world will define the energy of what you receive. Now, how does it work? It starts with a thought. Yes, every achievement begins in the mind. When you focus intensely on a desired outcome, you set in motion the energy needed to manifest that outcome into reality. Think of it as placing an order for your life's desires. You must be clear and precise about what you want, just as you would be when ordering your favorite meal at a restaurant. Ambiguity can lead to unexpected results, so clarity is your best ally in the manifestation process. And clarity is the starting point of manifestation. Without clarity, it's like walking into a restaurant and saying, "I just want some food." Imagine the confusion that would cause. That's why being specific about what you want is crucial. To achieve clarity, you need to define your goals in as much detail as possible. Start by asking yourself what exactly you want. Is it a job, a relationship, a new house? Whatever it is, describe it down to the last detail. What does it look like? How does obtaining it make you feel? When do you want to achieve this? These details matter because the clearer you are, the easier it is for the universe to understand and deliver your order. A great way to enhance clarity is to write down your desires. This exercise does more than just remind you of what you want. It helps solidify your goals in your mind and in the world. Writing is a powerful tool for manifestation because it forces you to define and refine your desires until they are crystal clear. Remember, when you write down your goals, you're taking the first tangible step towards making them a reality. Transitioning from the clarity of your desires, the next crucial element in the manifestation process is belief. Believing that what you desire can actually manifest is essential. It's like planting a seed. Just as a seed requires the right conditions to germinate, your goals need the fertile ground of strong belief to sprout and grow. Belief in the context of manifestation means more than just hoping. It means truly accepting that what you're asking for will come to fruition. It involves a deep trust in the process. For some, this can be a hurdle, especially if you're new to the concept of the law of attraction, or if past disappointments have left you doubtful. To cultivate a stronger belief, start by addressing and removing any doubts that arise. It's natural to experience skepticism, but don't let it deter you. Confront these doubts by reaffirming your desires. Repeat affirmations that strengthen your belief. Phrases like, "I am capable of manifesting my desires," or "I trust in my ability to bring my dreams into reality," can be powerful. The repetition of affirmations helps to reprogram your subconscious mind, making it an ally in your manifestation efforts. Remember, the stronger your belief, the more likely you are to act in ways that align with achieving your goals. This leads us to the emotional aspect of manifesting, which is just as important as mental belief. Once your mind believes, the next step is to ensure your emotions are aligned with your goals. Emotions are powerful signals that communicate with the universe. They amplify the energy of your thoughts, increasing the speed and likelihood of your manifestation. Emotional alignment means feeling the emotions that you would experience if what you're manifesting were already yours. This isn't about pretending or superficial happiness. It's about deeply embodying the joy, satisfaction, and peace you anticipate from achieving your goals. How do you achieve this alignment? Start by visualizing your life once your desires have materialized. Imagine how you would feel getting that dream job, moving into your new home, or achieving financial freedom. Allow these emotions to fill you up during your visualization sessions. The key is consistency. Practice this daily. Another effective practice is to create an emotion board similar to a vision board. Instead of pictures, fill your board with words or even scenes from magazines that evoke the feelings associated with your desires. Place this board somewhere you can see it daily to help maintain emotional focus. By aligning your emotions with your goals, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe about your readiness to receive. Just like tuning into the right radio frequency to hear your favorite song, emotional alignment tunes your energy to the frequency of your desires. Building on the foundation of belief and emotional alignment, let's look into the powerful practice of visualization. Visualization is not just daydreaming, it is a focused and purposeful exercise that plays a pivotal role in manifesting your desires. It involves vividly picturing in your mind what you want to achieve as if it has already happened. To start, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, with as much detail as possible, imagine the scenario where you have achieved your goal. See what you would see, hear what you would hear, and feel what you would feel. The key is to involve all your senses to make the experience as real as possible in your mind's eye. How often should you practice visualization? Daily visualization is ideal as it reinforces your goals and keeps them fresh in your mind. Even just a few minutes each day can have a significant impact. The best times are in the morning when you wake up and at night before you go to sleep, as these are times when your subconscious mind is most receptive. Consistency in visualization also helps in building and maintaining the belief that your desires are achievable and on their way. It's like watering and nurturing the seed of your goals daily until they sprout into reality. Next, let's focus on affirmations, which are positive, powerful statements that help to reinforce your manifestation goals. Affirmations work by slowly changing your subconscious mind, the part of your brain that controls behaviors and habits. By repeating affirmations, you instill new beliefs and attitudes that are aligned with your desires. Creating effective affirmations involves several key components. First, they must be positive. Instead of saying what you don't want, affirm what you do want. For example, say, "I am wealthy," instead of "I am no longer poor." Secondly, they should be stated in the present tense, as though they are currently true, even if they are aspirational. This helps you believe that your goal is attainable right now. To integrate affirmations into your daily routine, repeat them aloud every morning and evening. You can also write them down in a journal or on sticky notes that you place around your home or workspace. This practice not only boosts your mood, but also keeps your mind focused and aligned with your intentions. By regularly visualizing your goals and affirming your beliefs, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates the manifestation process. These practices help solidify your focus and ensure that your entire being is working towards the same purpose. Together, these strategies build a comprehensive approach to achieving your dreams, ensuring that each step is grounded in a solid understanding of how manifestation works and how best to engage with these principles to see real results. Now that we have laid the groundwork with visualization and affirmations, it's crucial to discuss the importance of taking inspired action. While it's essential to set your intentions and visualize your goals, action is what bridges the gap between desires and reality. But there is a significant distinction between any action and inspired action. Inspired action is action that feels natural and exciting. It stems from a deep inner conviction and aligns perfectly with your goals and beliefs. Unlike forced effort, inspired action doesn't feel laborious. It feels almost effortless and is often accompanied by a strong sense of certainty and an enthusiasm. How do you know if an action is inspired? First, it typically comes to you as a spontaneous idea or thought that feels right. It's something that you are compelled to do, not because you have to, but because you genuinely want to. It's important to stay open to these impulses and recognize them when they occur. When an idea strikes, assess it quickly and act on it if it aligns with your goals and feels right. Stay connected to your daily practices of visualization and affirmations. The more aligned you are with your desires, the more easily you'll recognize opportunities to act on them. Also, keep yourself open to possibilities. Sometimes opportunities come from unexpected places or in forms we hadn't anticipated. One of the most challenging yet vital aspects of the manifestation process is learning to let go. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. Rather, it means releasing your attachment to the outcome and trusting that the universe will take care of the details. The art of detachment is crucial because when we cling too tightly to our desires, we operate from a place of fear and anxiety, which can actually repel what we're trying to attract. Instead, focus on maintaining a calm and positive outlook and trust that what you desire is on its way to you. Letting go also involves accepting that the path to your goal may not look exactly as you envisioned. Be open to the journey taking different forms, which can often bring about better outcomes than originally planned. Accept the unknown with confidence and a belief that everything is working out for your highest good. A practical way to practice letting go is through meditation. Regular meditation helps to clear the mind of obsessive thoughts and allows you to remain peacefully detached from specific outcomes. It helps cultivate patience and an understanding that timing is often beyond our control. By combining the power of inspired action with the peace of letting go, you set a dynamic manifestation process into motion. You do your part, then allow the universe to do its part, creating a balance that is conducive to realizing your dreams. As we continue our journey in mastering the art of manifestation, another crucial element is maintaining a positive environment. The energy that surrounds you can significantly influence your ability to manifest your desires. A supportive, uplifting environment reinforces your positive thoughts and emotions, making it easier to attract what you want into your life. First, consider the physical space around you. This includes your home, workplace, and any other environments where you spend a lot of time. Keep these spaces clean and organized. Clutter and disorder can create chaos in your mind, which hampers your ability to focus and maintain a positive mindset. Personalize your space with items that inspire and uplift you, such as motivational quotes, beautiful artwork, or anything that brings you joy and peace. Next, think about the people you surround yourself with. Relationships have a profound impact on your emotional state. Spend time with positive, like-minded individuals who believe in your dreams and encourage you. Limit interaction with those who drain your energy or bring negativity into your life. Remember, you become like the 5 people you spend the most time with. So choose wisely. Consider the media you consume, whether it's television, social media, or books. Ensure that the content is uplifting and contributes positively to your mindset. Consuming too much negative news or entertainment can drag down your spirits and derail your manifestation efforts. To bring our discussion to a close, let's focus on the powerful practices of reflection and gratitude, which are integral to the manifestation process. These practices not only help in maintaining a positive outlook, but also in recognizing and celebrating the successes along your journey. Reflection is a practice of looking back over your actions and outcomes to understand what works well and what might need adjustment. Regular reflection can help you stay on course, learn from your experiences, and make informed decisions moving forward. Set aside time each week to review your goals, the steps you've taken towards them, and the progress you've made. This helps to keep your actions aligned with your desires. And gratitude, on the other hand, is perhaps one of the most powerful tools in your manifestation toolkit. By focusing on what you already have and expressing thanks for it, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. Start each day by listing at least 3 things you are grateful for. This could be as simple as a sunny day, a good meal, or progress towards a goal. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you possess, filling you with positive energy and attracting more good things into your life. In wrapping up our journey through the powerful process of manifestation, remember that the key to success lies in consistency and belief. By applying the strategies we've discussed, from maintaining clarity and harnessing the power of belief to aligning your emotions and taking inspired action, you set the stage for remarkable transformations. Accept each step with commitment and openness, trusting that what you desire is not only possible, but on its way to you. I encourage you to start today. Choose 1 or 2 practices from this video that resonate with you and incorporate them into your daily routine. Whether it's refining your visualization skills, crafting powerful affirmations, or simply cultivating a deeper sense of gratitude, each small step will bring you closer to the life you've envisioned. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on creating a life filled with abundance and joy. Remember, your power to manifest is only a thought away. Start manifesting your dreams today.